Good Wednesday morning. Beautiful sun-filled day ahead of us. Yesterday we had a high of 80 degrees on Tuesday. Very comfortable day. The coolest high temperature since the very first day of the month. Believe that or not. It's just incredible. It's been so warm. Although this week, I will say this, it's been warmer than average, but still pretty comfortable because of lack of humidity. And we've had a nice little breeze each day. Today, another slight breeze will be with us. We'll enjoy some sunshine. Humidity still fairly comfortable there for the rest of our Wednesdays. We look outside with our Quality Group camera from CC Heights. Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today we're talking about a beautiful Wednesday, but tomorrow will be the day to watch, the day to circle on the calendar. That's the one that may be a little more impactful due to the possibility of some thunderstorms. We're going to be talking about that here between today and tomorrow quite a bit. Not necessarily the biggest outbreak of the year. This isn't going to be something like that, but probably the biggest in a few weeks for us. Large hail, damaging wind threat for us as we move through tonight. And then again tomorrow as a storm system is approaching from the west. Right now, though, a pretty quiet Wednesday for us. We're enjoying a lot of sunshine out there. Just a gorgeous day so far. It's just a few minutes past 7:30 here on this Wednesday morning. Day planner, we start off in the 60s, reaching about 80 degrees or so by lunchtime. Look for highs around 85 this afternoon. South winds to 11, 12, 13 miles per hour. And again, sunset coming up just a couple minutes before 9 o'clock, 8:55 officially here in Rochester. Sunny skies. Right now it's 60 degrees this hour in Rochester. Dew point only 54, so still pretty comfortable humidity content in the atmosphere, or lack of humidity anyway at this point. 60 in Rochester, Winona 64, Mason City 63 at the 7 o'clock hour. Again, from here, we will make our way into the mid-80s. That is actually about 5 or 6 degrees above the seasonal average for this time of the year. Typically, mid-June, still kind of in the upper 70s to low 80s generally, and so we're going to be a little warmer than that today. Thunderstorms are already developing in parts of the plains and even parts of Canada ahead of a warm front that is to our west. That high pressure that's been with us for days, slowly working its way eastward. Been pretty cool under that high pressure. Earlier this morning, we had, on the map anyway, 38 degrees in Marquette, Michigan, northeast of us under that high pressure. But again, that's gliding out of the east. Behind it, here comes that warmer air, that warm front signifying not just leading edge of a very warm and humid air mass. Also, it'll spark the chance of thunderstorms late tonight. So we're going to keep track of that as we look ahead at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for, this is for tonight. This thunderstorms develop to the west, then rumble into our area after midnight. This is a marginal to slight risk of severe weather. The possibility of maybe a couple of hail-producing storms and maybe some damaging wind gusts. Tomorrow, level 2 out of 5, so slightly elevated risk of severe weather, especially along and south of Interstate 90, close to Rochester and southward from about 3 in the afternoon until about 10 tomorrow night. The primary threats, again, large hail, damaging winds, and in some of those heavier storms, heavy rain-producing thunderstorms, heavy downpours of rain may cause some localized ponding on the roads and things like that, so keep that in mind. We can use the rain, though. That's a good thing. We just don't want too much of it all at one time, but we're going to keep that in mind for tomorrow with severe weather risk in store. Now, here's Futurecast. Looking at it today, a bit of a south breeze around 10 to 15 miles per hour, plenty of sun, mid-80s. A couple thunderstorms roll into the area after midnight tonight, and then into the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. Another round of thunderstorms rolls in for the northwest, 3 or 4 o'clock. A few of those begin to ignite ahead of that front. Watch the heavier, more widespread activity from about 4 until about 10 o'clock. Thunderstorms then migrate south and eastward, winding down completely by midnight, and then beautiful sunshine in store for our Friday with less humidity in the air, but still seasonably warm weather. Here are the timing of those thunderstorms tomorrow. Best chances from about 3 or 4 in the afternoon, especially though for that evening commute until about sunset, and then winding down around midnight. A half inch or more of rain is possible across the area. Some heavier amounts even than that with some of the heavier thunderstorms if we get a little bit of training. In other words, a series of thunderstorms moving through the same area over and over, developing in a small period of time. That is possible tomorrow evening as well. Look for highs today in the meantime for our Wednesday, around 85 in Rochester, 88 in Austin, and 87 La Crosse, 88 in Red Wing. A lot of sunshine. Southeast winds around 15 miles per hour tonight. Thunderstorms after midnight, a little breezier late with those south winds gusting around 20 miles per hour, 66 overnight. And then tomorrow, a hot and humid day, some sun at times, otherwise thunderstorms likely in the afternoon and evening. 89, it'll feel like it's about 93 or 94 with that heat index factor added in. Southwest winds up to 20 miles per hour. Friday looks breezy, less humid, still pretty warm, mid-80s. And then Saturday, a gem of a day, maybe the best of the week, right around 81. Chance of thunderstorms, we may see a handful of those first thing in the morning on Sunday. More widespread storms in the afternoon with occasional sun in between for Father's Day. So not a perfect day, but we could use the rain, so we'll take what we can get. 82 for Sunday, 7-day forecast again. Beyond that, a cool down for next week. Some 70s to around 80 degrees. A chance of maybe an isolated storm or two next Wednesday. But the temperature is looking pretty mild down the road. In the meantime, today enjoy the sunshine, and tomorrow be a little more weather aware. We are looking at the possibility of maybe some strong storms, at least for parts of our Thursday. So we'll be watching that closely. In the meantime, have a great day, and we'll see you back here for Thursday.